All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card from BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. All kinds of good stuff with cryptocurrency. Today we're going to be talking about a coin, Kadena. Yeah, this coin is up over 100% in the last 7 days. Actually, a little higher than 100%. This coin is just popping. This is a bonus video. We're bringing it to you a little bit about 6 or 7 o'clock tonight, making sure we give you all the news and updates of what's going on with the cryptocurrency. So this coin is hot. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day everybody owns some cryptocurrency. So with that, let's go ahead and jump over to Kadena. All right, over here at Coin Market, take a look. Kadena, number 49 cryptocurrency on the planet. It is up 119%. Let's make a real big one there so you can see this. It's up 119% in the last 7 days, and it's up 5% in the last 24 hours. Coin is trading at $25.31 right here. Let's go ahead. Check it out. In the last 24 hours, we're up almost 5%, $25.41. The circulation of Kadena is only at 16%. So there's only 16% of the circulation in circulation right this second. It's got a market cap of 3.9 for the market cap billion. And the circulation's at 16%. So literally this coin has jumped off the charts. Right here in the last 7 days, take a look. It's down here, and you know how we like to do this. This price, the 5th of November, was $10.34. And it just started to go up, and then it came down slightly. But we're over here at $25, and the coin just a week ago was at $10. What's going down with Kadena? It says Kadena has only a scalable layer 1 POW blockchain along with PACT, the safest smart contract language founded by Sir Lancelot and W.J. Martino, who created J.P. Morgan's first blockchain and was the tech lead for the SEC's first crypto committee. Let's jump over to the website. Well, before we go to the website, let's take a look at this. Kadena could retest its $25 all-time high. Kadena is up more than 37%, but we know that that's literally at 100 and some percent. Just using this article as a little supporting thing. Kadena, KDA, rallies over 37%. The cryptocurrency market has recovered from the slight dip. Today, the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading in the green zone. BTC. Kadena remains as one of the top performers among the top 100 market cap. At the press time, Kadena is up 38%. It's trading at $25.34. It's super going up. CDA's recent rally was fueled by a blockchain entry into the DeFi and NFT space. Last week, KDA launched a wrapped version of its token called WKDA. The wrapped version of the token operates on the Ethereum blockchain, allowing it to interact with the Ethereum virtual machine compatible DeFi protocol. Furthermore, the Kadena blockchain is now playing host to some of the NFT projects. The KDA blockchain is now NFT compatible. You know the NFTs are big. And some projects are already launching on the ecosystem. The UFO team revealed that it would build an NFT gaming platform on the Kadena blockchain. So over here at its website, Kadena.io, build the future on Kadena. Build without compromise. Kadena makes blockchain work for everyone. Our ecosystem provides the security of Bitcoin, virtual free gas, unparalleled throughout the smart contracts. Plug us in, deploy, and scale. So basically, there's a lot going on here. 115% up in 7 days. Safer smart contracts. Pax makes design safer smart contracts effortless. Whether you're writing your first contract or launching your 15th D app, by automatic detecting bugs, Pack frees you from expose on face on Ethereum and other unsafe platforms. Look at this, everybody. You're going to like the way this sounds. No cost transactions. Why we offer marginal transaction fees for consumers, we've gone a step further in introducing the first crypto gas station to allow businesses to eliminate all transaction fees for their customers, thus removing a key barrier to mass adoption of the dApps. Kadena. Energy efficient at scale. As network demand increases, Cardena's energy uses remain constant. Its unique architect makes it only platform that can deliver increased energy efficiency as the TPS, transaction per second, scales. Holy, everybody. Proven security. Our founders' experience at JP Morgan revealed the limitations of the existing blockchain solution. To solve for the security and throughout the demands of the financial services clients, Kadena runs on a proof of work, which is reliable, secure, and battle-hardened. And last and surely not least, industry scalable. Unlike other platforms, Kadena is designed to power global financial systems. Our protocol continually scales to a higher TPS, transaction per second, and more chains are added to the network. Now, that's just a lot of stuff going on. So far, everything sounds good. The part about it being up 115% in 7 days, I think people are liking that. Got to put this one on your radar too. Also in the top 100, in fact, at 49, Kadena. Is this your first time hearing this, Kadena, or are you tracking this cryptocurrency? Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency. Kadena could be a very, very interesting cryptocurrency, up 115%. Says our partners, your products. Kadena is working with platforms you know and trust to give you unlimited options. Whatever your project needs, third-party integration or ecosystem can deliver. Go ahead and click build and take a look. You got Cosmos over here, Coin Metro, Polkadot, just to name a few, Wrapped. Build, click build, and shawam, build smarter with PAC. It says right here, PAC is a simple and smart contract language, battle-tested in product applications for over 2 years. PAC is a fundamental difference from other languages because it's readable by non-developers and automatically detected bugs before they can be exploited. So what's my price prediction for Kadena? Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. This coin was about $10 on November 4th, and now it's at $25, and it's going through the roof. I don't think it's going to stop anytime soon. It could probably get to $30 and $35. Again, when you're paying attention to all this information, when it's on an uptrend, right now is the time to be looking at the coin. So again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Again, taking a look, it's at 119% in the last 7 days. So with that, don't forget to share this video with all your friends. We're trying to teach everybody about cryptocurrency. A little bonus video today on Friday. Up 115, 119%. Kadena is going to the roof, going to the moon. Will it go to the Mars with Doge on Mars? It could. It could, definitely. It's already in the top 100. So with that, you guys have a fantastic Friday. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow on Saturday, and we'll be bringing you more information about cryptocurrency. Have a great day, everyone.